How'd you do, Nathan?
I think I did good.
Yeah?
Did I do very good?
Look at all that candy.
But Dad, what score did I get?
You got... Let's see what Daniel did.
Okay. We'll see mine. We'll see about me.
Wow.
I got this SpongeBob thing.
You want to share one SpongeBob lollipop with Nathan?
Sure. Can we try them?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Because if you have two of one thing, it's okay to share.
It is.
Because you still have two.
That's right. Well, you have one each.
Yeah. Yeah, you have one each.
They look tasty.
You want to have some?
No, I'm good, thanks.
They're chocolate. Look.
Are they?
Yeah, they're chocolate, see?
Let's see. Nice. What do you say?
Thank you.
Who do you say thank you to?
Thank you, Annie B and Grandma.
And
Thanks,
Grandma.
Annie D and Grandma.
And Uncle Jim and Annie Dorothy.
And Auntie D and Annie Dorothy. Hey, wow, it is Lynn's Master Gold Bunny. It is.
It's a Master Gold Bunny.
That's an Easter secret from television.